Today we'll be looking at the Jamestown Sportcourt by Eternity Homes. If you have teens or tweens, they're never going to want to leave this house. You'll see why. Let's take a look.
As you walk in, you'll see an office to your left, double doors. And then to your right is the mudroom. Very spacious mudroom.
Have the built-ins.
Built-ins there. And a nice half bath as well. Also have a resource center. And a walk-in closet too off of the mudroom. It's so nice for all your snow pants and your gloves and your coats. You really need that around here.
Oversized garage.
Big oversized garage, 3-car. And then you have the kitchen. Huge island. Are these granite countertops?
These are granite countertops.
They're lovely.
And being a custom builder, you can have whatever you want.
Great. Nice cabinetry as well. And then there's a walk-in pantry.
We have the double ovens.
Double
Great
ovens.
package.
And I see the dining room here. Let's take a look at the walk-in pantry. And then what's really fun is this window over here. Overlooks the sport court. We'll take a look at that later.
You can watch your kids play down there.
Oh, it even opens up so you can yell at them when it's time for dinner. I love that.
So you can throw your kids down a bone when they're hungry.
Perfect. Then we've got the living room. Some cabinetry and a fireplace.
Then you have the options for the built-ins, the fireplace.
A lot of great natural light on this level as well. Let's head downstairs. I see an unfinished basement, all kinds of possibilities down here. Got your mechanical.
Plenty of room for storage.
Yes, lots of great storage space. This would be a great entertainment room. And then here we have that sport court that I mentioned earlier. How fun. Got your soccer, your hockey, your basketball. Lots of fun could be had in this room. And then if the buyer wanted to get the home without the sport court, would that be an option?
That is an option. So we make the sport court, the Cape Cod, a bunch of different models with or without the sport court.
Great. And then let's head upstairs. Is this a 4-bedroom?
This is a 4-bedroom with the loft.
This is a nice big window, so much great natural light. Yeah, great loft here. I like that you have the desk set up.
Got some more built-ins right there.
Let's head into the master. Big master. And this is great. There's 2 closets here. I suppose this is the his, most likely.
This is a little closet for the guys.
And
big
the
closet for the ladies.
hers. Enormous closet. That's great. And then this bathroom is really big as well. Lots of good storage. then you've got your double vanities. And the laundry right next to the master, which is so convenient, on the upper level with all the bedrooms. Here's another bedroom. The closet. Other bedroom. And then the bath. I like that it's compartmentalized. So you've got the separate tub and toilet. And then this bedroom is very large. All right, let's head back downstairs and get another look at that main level. Do you know what kind of floors are on this main level?
These are manufactured hardwood.
Great.
Multiple colors to pick from.
Yeah, there seem to be a lot of options with this builder.
Yeah, with Eternity Homes, local builder, top 10. Many different options to pick from.
That was the Jamestown Sportcourt by Eternity Homes. Find out more about Eternity Homes at eternityhomesllc.com. Special thanks to Dan Alstrom. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. What I'll leave you with is I hope everyone watching this has the means to have a beautiful home like this. However, even if you don't, remember, it's not the house that makes the home. It's the people in it. We'll see you next time.